What's up YouTube? This is part 2 of the Fini Downhill Track rebuild, and today we're working on this section. It's a nice steep compression section, so you come from up there, right hand corner, into the 2 steep steps, big compressions, and all the way down at the bottom where George is. We're gonna try and build a nice big berm to catch the riders. This section is a little bit sketchy because it's really exposed from both sides, and yeah, we want to try and make it as safe as we can for everybody, for beginner riders as well as more advanced riders that want to push. So yeah, let's get started. Straight into a build lap. Let's go. Here we go, sports fans. Berm is done. Another massive one. Super harsh conditions. The dirt is pretty dry, full of rocks. As you can see, nothing really to dig. No soft dirt, so we had to get like 2 20-liter water tanks. Yeah, this is the final product. Nice berm. Yeah, that's probably gonna last for a couple of runs maybe. But yeah, that's it. Let's just walk the rest of the track and see what it needs. Let's go. So here we go, another berm we need to fix. Oh boy. Good. These are all the tools we need. Plenty of water. Yeah, as you can see, the rocks started to come out. The dirt is all washed at the bottom. So yeah, let's just fix that thing. Let's go. Would you look at that, people? What on earth? Oh boy, we've definitely been busy around here. Fini Downhill Track. Would you look at that? This thing is huge. So what we did, we took all the dirt from down here and we pushed it up at the top. We steepened the angle as well, so you can see it's a much steeper berm now, so it can hold you way better and with getting in with way more speed. We closed the angle a little bit as well because it got pushed out somewhere here, so we brought it back, and this way it sets you better for the next straight. So yeah, we watered it, we shaped it good, and now it's only a matter of drying up, which is definitely going to be super quick considering this dude up there. Oh boy. So this is the end of another digging session. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the channel for more videos. Press the like button if you enjoy the trail building stuff, and see you on the next video. Ciao.